Hello everyone, welcome to today's story. It is so hot today, but are you ready? Let's start. This story, it is about habit to being tidy and untidy. It is perfect for elementary levels, A1 to A2. We will be talking about in simple English lessons and everyday chores, if a person is tidy, it's untidy, and what happens. Okay? This story, it is about a little boy called Omar. Ready? Hello, my name is Omar, and I want to tell you a funny story. I'm a tidy person. I like my room clean, my desk organized, but my little brother, Sammy, he's not like that at all. He's very untidy. His clothes are on the floor, his toys are under the bed, and his books, they are never on the shelf. His room looks like a tornado passed through it. In the morning, I make my bed. I pull the blanket straight, I put the pillow on the top, I open the window for fresh air, I put more clothes on the wardrobe, and I fold my pajamas. On my desk, I keep a small plant, a pencil case, and my school books. I have one box for pens and one box for paper. I wipe the desk every week, and I vacuum the floor every Saturday. Now, let's talk about Sammy's room. He throws his socks on the floor. He never folds his clothes. Sometimes I even find his school bag on the bed with a sandwich inside. Our parents and how I got them involved. Last weekend, my mom looked at Sammy's room and said, "This is a disaster. You must clean this room before lunch." He said, "Okay," but then he went outside and played football. So I helped him. Let's clean together. I will help you this time. We started with the floor. I pick up dirty clothes. I put them in the laundry basket. Then we organized his books, storybooks, notebooks, and magazines. We found under the bed one that he thought he had lost. Next, we cleaned his desk, threw away old papers, broken pencils. We even dusted the shelves. Finally, we made the bed together, and it looked much better. There was a funny surprise. While we were cleaning, we found a missing sock, 2 Lego pieces, and a toy car from last year's birthday. Sammy laughed and said, "I forgot I have this." He also found a coin. "Now you can pay me for helping you." It was hard work, but in the end, his room was almost tidy as mine. Almost. You might be asking why I like things tidy. I like a tidy room because it helps me to think clearly. When my space is clean, I feel calm. I know where things are. I can find my books, my charger, my socks, without looking for 10 minutes. Also, my mom doesn't get angry when she passes by my door. Every Saturday, I clean my room for 30 minutes. I set a timer. I play music. I make it fun. Sometimes I even sing while I vacuum. Let's talk about being tidy or untidy at school. At school, it's the same. My desk is tidy. I keep my pencil case closed and my notebook clean. While my brother, it's always looking for his eraser, his pen. Last week, our teacher said, "Let's check your desks." She looked at mine and smiled. She looked at Sammy's and said, "Sammy, let's talk after class." Since then, He has tried to make it neater, and I have helped him with tidy checklists. For example, make your bed, pick up your clothes, put toys away, clear your desk, wipe the floor. So, from that, what have we learned? I think being tidy it's a good habit. It makes life easier. But I also learned that from my brother, a little mess it's okay. Not every pencil has to be in place. Although, now I help Sammy clean once a week. And sometimes he messes my room, but just a little. My dears, this was a funny story about two brothers that are opposite of each other's. One of them is tidy, the other one is untidy. Like every brothers, there is always a yin and a yang, I guess. I hope you have enjoyed this story. Take a look at the words. You can use the CC option if you need to read along. Now, tell me about your experiences. Are you tidy? Are you untidy? Write it down on the comments. Write it for yourself. Don't forget to read it out loud for you to get used to speak and listen in English. To help you, here they are some sentences that you can use while describing if you are tidy or untidy. My room is tidy. There are clothes on the floor. I clean my desk every day. If you still don't feel encouraged, take a picture of your room or other part of your house. Describe it. Tell me how you clean it. I hope you have enjoyed. See you next time.